Yeah, and they're on the street. The street.
You put a straight dog in the street. That can't happen. No.
Look,
No.
look, touch it, look. It's soft.
I, for hell's sake, I have gloves on. I'm not going to be able to touch it. No.
Rub.
No.
Rub your cheek. Your cheek gets up.
Okay, may I remind you that this is the Arcadia movement?
That could be our Arcadia dog.
Arcadia dog, Arcadia dog, Arcadia dog. Anyway.
It's already here.